Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your watercolor journey. Today I would like to talk about why every brush stroke is important. When we look at a finished watercolor painting, we usually admire the overall scene. We notice the color, the atmosphere, and the beauty of the subject. But every painting is actually built one brush stroke at a time. Each stroke, no matter how small, plays an important role. In watercolor, a brush stroke is more than just a mark on paper. It carries movement, energy, and feeling. A single stroke can suggest a tree, a cloud, a reflection, or even an emotion. Because watercolor is transparent and difficult to correct, every brush stroke leaves a lasting impression. Many beginners focus only on the final result. They want the painting to look perfect. But experienced artists know that the quality of a painting often depends on the quality of its individual brush strokes. A confident and purposeful stroke can make a painting feel alive. A hesitant stroke can sometimes weak the effect. This does not mean that every brush stroke must be perfect. In fact, the most beautiful watercolor painting contain loose and mark. What matters is that each stroke contribute something to the painting. It should have a reason for being there. Brush stroke also help create variety and interest. A broad wash can suggest distance and atmosphere, while a sharp detailed stroke can attract attention to a focal point. By changing the size, direction, and pressure of a stroke, we can create depth and movement within a painting. Another reason every brush stroke matters is that it reflects the artist's personality. If you compare the work of different watercolor artists, you will notice that their brush work is unique. Some use bold and energetic stroke, others prefer soft and delicate mark. Over time, your brush stroke become part of your artistic voice. This is one reason why copying every detail from a reference photo is not always necessary. Instead of painting every leaf on a tree, a few well-placed brushstrokes can suggest the tree more effective. The viewer's imagination will complete the picture. This often creates a stronger and more engaging painting. Brushstroke also teaches valuable lesson. Every stroke is a small decision. We decide where to place it, how much water to use, how much pigment to load on the brush, and how much pressure to apply. The more we practice, the better this decision becomes. Sometimes we make a brush stroke that does not turn out as likely. We may feel disappointed. However, even those strokes are important. They teach us something. They help us understand timing, water control, color mixing, and composition. In this way, every brush stroke becomes part of our learning process. One of the challenges in watercolor is knowing when to stop, because every new brush stroke changes the painting. Adding too many can reduce freshness. Learning to leave certain areas untouched is just as important as knowing where to add detail. When we watch skilled watercolor artists, their brush stroke often appear simple and effortless. But behind that simplicity are years of observation and practice. They have learned how to communicate more with fewer strokes. This is one of the beautiful qualities of watercolor. As artists, we should try to paint with awareness. Before placing a brush stroke, take a moment to think about its purpose. Is it creating shape, adding contrast, guiding the viewer eye, building atmosphere? When our brush stroke have an intention, our paintings become stronger. The next time you sit down to paint, remember that a watercolor painting is not created all at once. It is created stroke by stroke. Each mark contributes to the story you are telling. Each stroke carries a little piece of your vision and experience. So, whether you are painting a mountain, a village path, a temple, or a simple landscape, give attention to every brushstroke. They may seem small on their own, but together they create something meaningful and beautiful. Thank you so much and happy painting.